like to handle this like woman?
Yes.
On the count of 3.
2, 3.
Paper, rock, scissors, rock!
Pickaxe.
My rock broke. You destroyed the rock. Now you must pay the consequences. Give 2 more chances. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Paper, rock, scissors.
Paper!
Fire.
Oh, fine. You burn my paper. I'll give you 1 more chance. Ready? Count 3. 1, 2,
2, 3.
Paper, rock, scissors!
Black dragon from the netherworld.
Can he do that?
Let's settle this like real girls. Pillow fight.
Yay!
Pillow fights are for wusses.
Exactly.
Finally, I win! Now I got my Kit Kat!
Give me a break.